Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, tonight is a good night. We're playing in this beautiful God's country, North Yorkshire. Bit of a festival. It's a 40th, 50th birthday tonight, but we get all the good gigs, so check it out. Yes, at the moment the Range Rover is behaving itself. Zero issues at the moment. As you can see, fantastic at the ground is still a bit on the soft side because all it's done is put this down here. Just let me give you a view of all this. That's the generator, that's powering everything. Zero noise, that's fantastic. You cannot hear it either. That is a really silent generator. I mean, I'm stood right next to it here. So that, guys, fantastic. Obviously run on red diesel. Well, check this out. There's roseberry topping in the distance. I'm just going to point that out for you guys if you don't know this area. There. Stunningly beautiful. Gorgeous night. As you can see, we've got all our gear everywhere. I'm absolutely full of hay fever. This is the only problem we've got. There's the guys in here. We've just about settled now. There's a DJ. Make sure we're doing everything right. So there's a look at backstage here. So we're inside the marquee. It's a fairly large one. We're playing over here. Looks like we're in a sheep pen. Come on, give me a sheep impression. There you go. Well, guys, that's our first set done. The sun's just going down behind me. It's just beautiful here. So if you've never been to North Yorkshire before, you want to come. It's stunningly beautiful. I mean, just look behind me. Beautiful. There's the marquee we're playing in behind us. It's kind of a cool night, but it's just beautiful. I'm so glad it's not raining. It's just all it's done is rain and rain and rain. Now it's what it should be like all summer. It's the perfect temperature as well. I don't like it too hot. Probably between 15 and 20 I like. Look at that. Rock and roll. Yeah, these private parties are awesome. There's the beer tent over there. Well, guys, that was a fantastic gig. We're in the middle of the field now. Well, guys, it's time to go home. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. So on that note, see you later.